The UK Home Secretary, Priti Patel, announced details of the British National Overseas Visa. Priti Patel provided some further guidance on the Hong Kong British National Overseas Visa on 22nd of July 2020. In this video we will tell you about the important points. Before we continue, help us grow our channel by subscribing the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications on your screens. You can also share this video with your friends and family on Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter.
Changing the rules on immigration.
A new immigration bill.
Points-based immigration system. Brightest and the best.
The greatest place to live.
If you're a British national overseas citizen, you may already stay in the UK as a visitor for up to 6 months without a visa. As a visitor, you do not have the right to take up long-term study, live, or work in the UK. The new visa path will be open for British national overseas citizens and their close family members from January 2021. Applications can be made both outside and inside the UK. There will be 2 routes. Apply for leave to enter or remain in the UK for an initial period of 30 months, which is extendable for an additional period of 30 months, or apply to enter or remain in the UK for a single period of 5 years. After 5 years of residing in the UK, applicants will be able to apply to settle in the UK indefinite leave to remain. After an additional period of 12 months, with indefinite leave to remain status, applicants can then apply for British citizenship. All through the initial period, these applicants will be able to study and work in the UK, but will not be allowed to access public funds. Not like other immigration routes, British national overseas visa applicants will have admittance to the job market at any skill level and will not have to meet any salary thresholds. There are several eligibility obligations to apply for the Hong Kong British National Overseas Visa. You will need to prove that you have British National Overseas status. You can use a valid or expired British National Overseas Citizen passport to prove this. Generally reside in Hong Kong. Can lodge and back yourself financially in the UK for the duration of at least 6 months. Show pledge to learn English. Get a tuberculosis test certificate from a UK Home Office approved clinic and pay the immigration fee and the immigration health surcharge. What is leave outside the rules? If there is no present immigration path available to you, UK Border Force may take into account allowing leave outside the rules for a period of 6 months. This can include yourself and your dependents. Proof required for this route is your identity, your British national overseas status, that you generally live in Hong Kong, and that you can lodge and back yourself monetarily in the UK. Dependents include children under the age of 18, spouse, civil partner, or unmarried partner if together for over 2 years, and other family members if there is proof of a high level of dependency. Proof will be obligated to prove the relationship between yourself and your dependents. This could comprise marriage certificates, birth certificates, and proof of living together. If entering the UK via this visa route, you and your dependents may seek employment and study, but you cannot access public funds or use the NHS for free. Those entitled to do so will be able to switch to the Hong Kong route once it is open from within the UK. This is the end of today's video. If you like the update, please like and share this video. Thanks for watching.